What's up, YouTube? Starting off on the weekly chart with Bitcoin. We've got dual resistance here along the 200 EMA and the 0.786. So I do think we get some sort of correction from this level because it's dual resistance, and you can also see that the stochastic is in overbought conditions. So a nice little correction here the next 4 to 5 days would be very healthy for the market, and is probably needed if we do indeed agree that this is the bottom for Bitcoin. So look, macro speaking, I do think we are close to a bottom here. And this powerful impulse move has proved that. So, but at the same time, I do think we come back down and either test this level of support, this former level here at a touch below 19,000, and that's currently where the 8 EMA is, and we've also got the 21 EMA here as well at a touch below 20k. So it would be nice and healthy to see a correction towards these EMAs here. So heading over to the 3-day chart, you've got further evidence of resistance levels here. So using these Fibonacci levels from 48k down to the local low at 15,500. This white line here is the 500 EMA, very crucial level. Also got this 100 EMA and the 0.382 Fibonacci level, which will be, well, that should definitely be resistance there as well, but it looks like we're already catching resistance here. We're at the top of the Keltner channel as well, so there is plenty of room for a pullback here towards the 50 EMA at a touch below 20k. You got the 21 EMA and the 8 EMA, and also this Fibonacci level here at 20,233. That's for 0.236. So I would love to see a little correction down here. It would be very helpful for the market, and I'd be taking profits on short positions down here. Stochastic RSI is overbought and looks like it's forming somewhat of a bearish divergence. On the daily chart, we can see here we're along the 2.618 from this impulse move, this shallow impulse move here from 18,387 down to 16,256. So we smashed through the golden ratio and we've broken through 2.618. So we're technically still bullish on the daily chart here, finding support here on the 8 EMA. So we definitely haven't gotten the all clear to go short here. But if we do break this 8 EMA, that'll be considered pretty bearish because we haven't been below that basically since the rally started. So that would be the first sign. If we break this 8 EMA on the daily, if we can close below it, either today or tomorrow, that'll be bearish, and we'll come back down here to the 200 EMA at 21,000. So very critical moment for BTC in the next couple of days. So we've got the stochastic breaking down here on the daily, so that's a bearish sign. We're at the midpoint here, so there's plenty more room for downside. That looks bearish, very bearish actually. So yeah, all eyes on this level here, 22,231. If we break below that, be plenty of room for downside, and that would be a great confirmation for a short position there. So yeah, further resistance here along the 300 EMA at a touch below 24k. So I was initially anticipating a move up to 24k, but it looks like it's kind of already run out of steam here at 23,300. So, you know, bear in mind I did call that 24k from around this level here. So, I mean, it still could happen, but it's looking likely that we're breaking down here, especially when we use this stochastic on the daily. So, but yeah, like I said before, keep an eye on that 8MA. Now heading over to the 8-hour chart, we have 21 EMA here as support. We're still above that, so technically we're still bullish on the 8-hour chart. Stochastic is now in oversold conditions, but still momentum is to the downside. And finally, on the 4-hour chart, we've broken down below the 21 EMA and the 8MA. So first signs here that we are breaking down and becoming bearish here. Stochastic RSI though is already in oversold conditions, so that's why we're sort of getting a bit of indecision here at the moment. So if this was to turn back up and the price action remains in this zone, that would be considered bearish in my view. So, and using this 4-hour chart, so the Fibonacci retracement here, if this is indeed the top of the market here at 23,371, the local high, you've got these Fibonacci levels down here, which coincide with those support levels on the weekly and the daily chart. So, very interesting indeed. These EMAs are still bullish though, so shorters beware. We are in fact still bullish, but I am seeing the first signs of exhaustion here. And obviously, using these 3-day and weekly charts, we are at key resistance here. So, and just taking a quick look at market cap dominance for BTC, we are at the top of the golden pocket area here, the 0.618 at 44.53. Now this could continue higher. If this continues higher, I would consider that bearish for the altcoins in the short term. But I guess longer term it's a good thing because it gives us room to have an alt season later on in the year. So, and you could probably see there's kind of like a cup and handle forming here. So, or the W pattern. So this looks like this upside can continue, and if it does continue, I would say that the market is going to come down, and I guess BTC will come down less than altcoin, so its dominance should go up. We are still bullish on the stochastic here, although overbought, but yeah, this still looks fairly bullish here, and obviously the W pattern, this could play out to the golden ratio here at 55.55. If we did get up to this level, altcoins would be getting murdered. So anyway, I'll wrap that up and see you guys in the next update.